so this is for my friends Daniel and Timbo. So this is the integral of the square root of 4 plus 4t squared plus 1/2 t squared. And this might seem like a difficult problem, but it really is all about simplification. So let's just go ahead and get started. So I'm just going to simplify the inside of the square root over here. So first you want to factor out the 4, so it becomes 4 of t squared plus 1 plus 1 over t squared. Alright, next you want to find a common denominator, so that would be t squared. So it would be 4t squared of t squared plus 1 over t squared plus 1 over t squared. And the reason this works as a common denominator is because if you cancel, they will cancel out and become a 1, but we don't want that, just because we can simplify all of this as a whole. So next we want to do 4t squared plus 1 over t squared. So this all will become 4t to the 4th plus 4t squared plus 1 over t squared. And as a matter of fact, the whole numerator factors very nicely. So this becomes 2t squared plus 1, check this out, squared over t squared. Alright, now next we want to bring this square root back over. So we're going to do the square root of 2t squared plus 1 squared over t squared, and that just becomes 2t squared plus 1 over t. So great. This is a huge step. This is much easier to solve. So I'm going to solve the integral over here. Okay, cool. So now we have the integral of 2t squared plus 1 over t. And what's nice about this one is that we can make it even simpler. So we have a common denominator of t, so we can actually split this integral up into 2 parts. So we can do the integral, let's make that a little bit nicer. We have the integral of 2t squared over t plus the integral, dt, plus 1 over t dt. Alright, so with this integral on the left, the t's cancel out, so you have the integral of 2t dt, which equals 2t squared over 2 plus c. So this just becomes t squared plus c. With the 1 on the right, that just becomes the ln of t plus c. And then when you add those up, that just becomes t squared plus the ln of t plus c. And that is your final answer. So the trick of this problem is really simplification, which we started with over here. And within this we found the common denominator, then we factored out, and then that made the problem so much easier. So make sure you have that problem or that technique under your tool belt, because a lot of times teachers on tests will put integrals like this, which seem really hard and will stump you at first, but then once you figure out how to simplify it, it becomes very easy. Alright, good luck.